of learning. Subscribe for more updates. Most important GA questions asked in the SBI PO Mains exams, the 13th of September 2025. 1. Rajiv Ranjan, appointed as new Vice President of which organization? ANS. National Development Bank, NDB. Appointed by the Board of Governors of National Development Bank for the 5 years. He previously served as Executive Director of the RBI. 2. PM Jeevan Yojana. Letter N stands for ANS. PM Jeevan equals Pradhan Mantri Vatavaran Anukul Fasal Avashesh Nivaran Yojana. N equals Nivaran. 3. First airport under PPP model in India. ANS. PPP equals Public-Private Partnership. First airport to be built Kochi International Airport, SEAL. 4. First wildlife corridor established in India. ANS. Near Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. Constructed by NHAI along 12 km stretch of Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. 5. International Tiger Day. ANS. July 29. 6. Authorized bank for gold imports. Which bank? ANS. RBI. 7. NXT Banking, launched by which company? ANS. Laravel Private Limited. 8. Prava Portal, expansion. What does V stand for? ANS. PRAVAAH, Platform for Regulatory Application. Validation and authorization. V equals validation. 9. Bibi Fatima, belongs to which Indian state? ANS. Kerala. She was the first woman to serve as a judge of the Supreme Court of India. 10. RBI guidelines, prescribed ink for checks. ANS. MICR. 11. Surfing, bronze medal, who won? ANS. Ramesh Budhyal, Asian Surfing Championship 2025, on the beaches of Tamil Nadu. 12. NAC, maximum transaction limit. ANS. Rupees 1 crore. While for some mandates for recurring payments are limited to rupees 10 lakhs. 13. Custom duty, 11%, removed, on which imported items? ANS. Raw cotton from August 19 to September 30. 2025. 14. Total allocation in Merit scheme. ANS. Allocation of 4 rupees. 200 crore. 15. Turmeric board, key features and functions. ANS. Turmeric board is established by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, GOI. Headquarters in Nizamabad, Telangana. 16. Vizhinjam Port, name of developer. ANS. Adani Ports and Kerala Government under Public Partnership Model. 17. PM Mitra Park. ANS. PM Mitra equals Pradhan Mantri, Mega Integrated Textile Region and Apparel Parks. 18. FASTag, annual recharge requirement. ANS. 3000 rupees, 3000. 19. MSP formula. ANS. 1.5 times the comprehensive cost of production including family labor. 20. National Commission for Safai Karmachari, validity extended till ANS. the 31st of March 2028. 21. India Foreign Country Defense Talks, held where? ANS. In New Delhi. 22. eShram Portal, integrated with which schemes? ANS. Several schemes like PMSBY, PMJJBY, Ayushman Bharat, PMAYMG and REGAETC. 23. RBI survey, review, conducted how many times in a year? ANS. 6 times a year after every 2 months. 24. Dope and AMFI MAO, validity period, number of years. ANS. Dope equals Department of Posts and AMFI equals Association of Mutual Funds in India, validity period 3 years. 26. Reserve with highest tiger density. ANS. Bandipur. Thanks for watching.